Zri is proving to be a special kind of network marketing company destined for greatness. Zri's brand is already creating a stir and a buzz usually reserved for companies many times its size. Thousands joined Zri at its opening launch event, and record numbers have joined Zri as independent executives all around North America. All this, combined with historic growth in just a few short months, offers a ground floor opportunity unlike any ever seen. The story begins with Bill Farley. Few people have risen to the level of success that has been achieved by Zri's CEO and founder, Bill Farley. From humble beginnings as a door-to-door salesman to the CEO of industry giants such as Lucchese, Gitano, Acme, and Fruit of the Loom, Bill knows how to create billion-dollar brands. A CEO with Bill's experience is rare. Even more rare, Bill is a self-made success. This gives him unique insights into building a platform to help other entrepreneurs achieve their dreams. Zri's product formulation derives from 5,000 years of healing wisdom embodied in a system called Ayurveda. Ayurveda meaning the science of life. In the creation of Zri, Bill went to two of the preeminent doctors in the West, Dr. Deepak Chopra, world-famous author, speaker, and doctor, and Bill's friend of over 25 years, and Dr. David Simon, world-renowned neurologist and co-founder of the Chopra Center for Well-Being. Bill asked them, if I could take one thing for the rest of my life for health and well-being, what would it be? They agreed it would be Amalaki, the great rejuvenator and the anchor of the 5,000-year-old Ayurvedic wisdom tradition. Bill turned to a team of preeminent doctors and experts in Ayurveda to formulate Zri, the original Amalaki. As a result of impeccable standards for quality and strict adherence to Ayurvedic principles in Zri's product formulation, the Chopra Center for Well-Being made the historic decision to endorse Zri, the original Amalaki. Zri is the first and only third-party product to be endorsed by the Chopra Center for Well-Being. And an endorsement of this caliber is unheard of for a company as young as Zri. In just a few short months, Zri is already a multi-million-dollar company, employing over 70 of the brightest in network marketing and attracting the best in field leadership. The stars have aligned, and Zri is already on its way to becoming the next billion-dollar brand. Why? Zri did not manufacture the reputation of the Chopra Center. Zri did not manufacture the 5,000-year-old tradition of Ayurveda. Zri did not manufacture the credentials of its scientific advisory board members. The Zri story is impressive, and more important, it is real. It is authentic. Join us on our journey and rise to enormous prosperity. Rise with us. Contact the person